Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is Digital Arwa Academy, and if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started with the video. Now, I know you would be like, why are you buying followers? Who told you to buy followers? And so you are trying to fool us. So all the answers to my questions are no. I have bought these followers solely and wholly for experiment purposes. And so this particular person I found in a WhatsApp group. So he was selling Instagram followers, and I saw that he had various different packages of selling followers, such as 1000 followers for X amount of money, then 10,000 followers for X amount of money. So I thought, let's experiment it and let's buy 1000 followers and see what happens. See how my engagement increases, see how my comments increase, and see how people are reacting to it. So I bought the 1000 followers, and in like 2 to 3 hours I had more, I had 1200 followers on Instagram. And then when I bought the followers, after 2 to 3 hours I had 2200 followers, which is about 1000 followers more. So it didn't change anything, it just changed my number on the top. Really, engagement didn't increase in any sense. The content that I create was for people who are digital marketers and freelancers who want to learn design, but the followers that I got were not targeted. They were like zero value to me. They were just a number, and those were the people who were just following me for the sake of following. And I feel like these are fake accounts that are created purposely to sell these kinds of services, which goes on a lot in India. I know it is not fair, but it goes on in foreign countries as well, but I feel it is happening a lot in India right now. So I do not recommend you to buy followers. If you are someone who wants to show that you have very high number of followers, then definitely go ahead and buy them. Because if you want shortcut success, then this is not even a shortcut success. This will just be a happiness for 5 minutes, I would say. Because are you actually getting money from those followers? No. So those followers are not actually your clients. They are random people following you, and random accounts. They're not even people, I would say. So I do not recommend buying followers, and the buying process that I did was wholly and solely for experiment purpose and not for anything else. Now I cannot remove those followers as well. So the account hasn't been changed at all. I didn't give my password to that person. He just took my username, and then there were 1000 more accounts following me. So I would suggest some alternatives that you can do to increase your following, which is try to invest. If you're trying to buy followers, instead of that, run targeted ads on Facebook. Those will be super beneficial. And even if you get 10 to 15 more followers by running those ads, and you could turn those 10 to 15 followers into your buying customers, which is super important if you are on Instagram. And I feel that growing on Instagram has become more and more difficult because they keep changing the algorithm, and people are focusing more on reels nowadays. And the thing is that some people are still not acquainted with how you can make viral reels and how you can post content with the help of reels in an amount of 15 to. So if you are someone who just wants to showcase a number on your Instagram page, then definitely go ahead and buy followers. But if you are not someone like that, then definitely don't buy followers, and try to invest that money in Facebook ads, or try to invest that money in giveaways, because those kinds of things will actually get you real followers rather than doing all these tactics. Hope this video was super helpful, and if you are someone who is interested in making money online and want to learn more about freelancing and design, then definitely go hit the follow button on my Instagram page, because I create some dope content for you guys. So till then, we'll see you next week, and I am super excited because if you haven't downloaded my $1,000 plus freelancer guide, then definitely go check that out and download that as well, because it's totally free.